How to recover deleted Discord server. In most cases, once a Discord server is manually deleted by the owner, it is permanently gone and cannot be recovered. So, however, there are a few specific scenarios and workaround depending on how the deletion happened. So, you can launch open Discord onto your device login, and you could try logging into a Discord account, and if a dialog box appears asking if you want to restore server, you could simply or immediately tap on stop the process as well. And if the 15-day grace period has passed, data is wiped from a Discord server entirely as well. So this way, if you have used a backup bot like a golden bot before the deletion, you can create or recreate the server structure as well, and create a new server and use a bot command like /backupload to restore your roles, channels, and permissions as well. And likewise, if you've lost ownership, you can request an ownership transfer from Discord support if the current owner has been inactive for at least 30 days. So you could simply go ahead and look for these workaround. However, this is going to be quite difficult, so you could just give it a try and see whether that works or not. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.